Hi guys and welcome to another episode of MotorBeam ProjectCar. So the other day we were driving down to office and on the way we saw Dhanil driving down the Baleno on the carts. Now obviously he was having a lot of fun with the car, but come on, it's been 6 weeks since we got the car and it is still in stock condition. I mean, what the hell? Let the modifications begin, man. So as much as you guys are waiting for the modifications to begin, even we are waiting for the mods. I mean, we have planned a lot of things for the project car, but project car liye to modify to karna padega. It's been 6 weeks since the car is absolutely stock. I mean, when are we starting, man? Even we are super pissed right now, just like you guys. So before we get started, we actually forced Dhanil to have a proper drag race with us. Yes, a drag race. Okay, we lost the drag race to Dhanil, but things are still not over. Picture abhi baki hai, and we have a savior coming to save us.
A lot of disappointment because Dhanil lost to me badly. Dude, what have you done? Look at the tire. It's come off. I mean, it's not come off. You've removed it right now, but it's in terrible state.
But yeah, that is the only reason I lost. I did not have traction.
I had more power. I had more torque. I was faster. Just admit it and move on. I'll help you make this car better. You know why? There's good news. Javed has given me some money, which means that we can finally start modifying our project car.
How much is that? Better be 1 lakh at least.
How much is that sum?
This is rupees 10,000.
That's
But
it?
the thing is this, because all of us can't agree on one modification, what we are going to do is we are going to distribute that money amongst ourselves, so 2,000 each, and all of you get one accessory or part for this car.
Those accessories will be like very cheap, by the way, because 2000 is probably our food budget.
That's a travel expense.
But one second, you need to understand one thing, that this is a used car. You can't go and buy new stuff here. You have to get a deal somewhere. Like, I know what I'm going to buy with this money. Okay, so you guys can't pair up with each other. Go individually buy something which you personally feel is good for the car. But listen to me, Dhanil. Listen, you don't have any patience, and that's why you lose, because you just go too much on the power. It wheel spins and you lose. Anyways, so the thing is that there are certain places where you can get a nice deal for certain parts which are not really mechanical.
So I guess there's only one place we can go to get all of that cheap stuff.
I am planning to go to that place.
Let's go
I know
together.
that place, I think.
Let's go together.
Everyone knows only one place, that is Kurla.
Okay, let's go to Kurla market. And where is Aris?
Aris, he's running late, so I'll coordinate
So
with him.
we'll meet him there directly,
Yeah,
and
we'll
let's
call him
see
there.
what all we can do with our beautiful project car by making it faster, more grippy, I already have certain things in my mind.
Even I have certain things in my mind.
I have a lot of things in my mind.
I don't think you should be having a lot of things in my
I just hope we don't overlap stuff. But come on, I'll see you guys later in the evening with the parts we actually get. Yeah. So now we are heading to Kurla, and it is not a test of our taste in cars and car parts, but it is the test of our bargaining skills to see who can get the best deal for parts on our Baleno.
I've had had my heart broken into, but something's different next to you.
It is extremely difficult to shoot over here. That's why we are roaming around with phone cameras and small mics hidden in our pockets. It's a secret mission. बहुत झोल है भैया, दिक्कत है.
'Cause I can run, but I can't hide the feelings that I know I can't keep bottled up.
तो नट साइज पता है ना उसका?
100 PCD बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ 13 है वो.
बलेनो का 13 इंच है. 16 इंच में चाहिए तो देखो बलेनो का.
वो लग जाएगा, वो लग जाएगा बाबा. कितने का पड़ेगा वो सेट? 20 का. सही सही लगाओ, 20 से कम नहीं करोगे किसी भी. चलो रिकॉन करते हैं फिर, और क्या.
The feelings that I know.
ये भी लगेगा, ये दोनों लगेगा, ये सेम ही है कह रहा हूँ. देख वो देख वो देख, वो भी लगेगा. अबे वो क्लासी लग रहा है यार. वो वाला 12,000 का पड़ेगा, सबसे कॉर्नर वाला. और वो बलेनो में लग जाएगा ना, पुरानी वाली में. ठीक है. और कोई अच्छा है इससे अच्छा बढ़िया दिखने में? भाई बहुत अच्छे अच्छे हैं, देखो ना. एटलीस्ट बेटर देन वो जो पहले हमने देखे थे. उससे तो अच्छे ही है. ये देखिए, ये भी मस्त है. मेरे को बेस्ट तो वही लग रहा है, पता है ना. सेट 12 का है. कितने बजे तक खुला है ये?
रात को 9.
बहुत बढ़िया. आराम से आते हैं हम, ज़रूर आते हैं. लोग को लाएंगे अभी, जो पैसे वाले लोग हैं.
And all this time I thought I knew, but all this time oh it's been you. 'Cause I
भैया 15 इंच का अलॉय व्हील मिलेगा. 100 PCD 100 PCD 15 इंच. कौन सा है? पुरानी बलेनो में लगेगा.
पुरानी बलेनो में लगेगा. 13 इंच का बिल्कुल नहीं मिलेगा. 5,000 और 6,000.
हाँ तो आप बताओ ना. बेस्ट रेट 9,000 तो ज़्यादा है. साथ में दे दो, साथ में दे दो.
साथ में 8,000 रुपये लगा दूँगा तुम्हारे लिए. 2,000 रुपये नहीं दे रहा हूँ. और क्या दूँ? आउट बेंड किरेक का गारंटी देगा. गाड़ी में फिटिंग करो, आउट रहा वापस,
अच्छा.
बेंड रहा वापस. हाँ एकदम ओपन आइटम.
the feelings that I know.
बहुत हार्ड.
The feelings that I know. The feelings that I know. The feelings that I know. The feelings that I know.
Where is Aris?
He got kidnapped in Kulla.
Really? And what are you doing here?
Because Aris got kidnapped and I'm here.
Yeah, we've got stuff.
All right, so let's start off. Path, what did you get?
I got 2 alloys in 2,000 rupees.
Which look like shit.
They look really cool.
Oh please.
One second, can you show us the alloys?
First of all, these are Honda.
There you go. You can change the logo and put the Suzuki logo over there. Need for Speed, most wanted.
This is sasta jugaad that you.
Dude, one second. We are already running on 14s. Why would you get 14s?
These look better
But
than
he's
the
actually
stock
smart, you know.
ones.
He got 14s because our tires are 14, so we don't have to change tires. What about you, Dhanil? What did you? First and foremost, after the whole sweaty day we had in Kulla, all of us changed our clothes and you are still roaming around in the same thing.
It's okay.
It's not. Anyways, what have you got?
Don't worry, I've got 15 inches, not like him.
15 inches.
This is a Suzuki alloy. Look at it.
What to do with 115 inches?
If he's got 14, you have got 15.
I've got the tires. He's got the alloys. So we both can basically, you know, mount our wheels together on our Baleno.
They still have 215 inches. What to do with 2 tires?
Exactly. So basically, we will have new alloys.
We were smart. We just collaborated. Because 2,000 rupees mein we were just, you know, finding good food everywhere. So we thought, why not collaborate with each other and just get 2 alloys and 2 tires.
It doesn't make sense buying second-hand tires. These are really poor in quality. Can't really say.
Okay. And what did you get?
I got a fancy horn.
Wow, you got a horn.
2,000 rupees for a horn. Like really?
It's a classy one.
The only good thing I have got, Momo steering wheel.
Which you're holding with the tissue, by the way.
No, it's little dirty, but not only can you eat it, and it's so sporty. You can do opposite
That
blocks
doesn't
and whatnot.
even look like a Momo steering.
It
by the
is
way.
like a
an
fake
original fake Momo steering. Trust me on this. Yeah, and you know it's brand new.
What?
And I paid how much for it? Only 1990 rupees. I saved 10 bucks here.
और 10 रुपये क्या किया?
हाँ, tip दे दी थी tip.
टिप अच्छा.
But guys, what have you done here? This guy is getting 14. He's getting 15. You should have got 16. You should have got. You two don't talk only.
Let's do one thing. Let's get a set of 15s now.
See, these alloys look really nice, but the thing in the center, that is not original for sure. This alloy is final. Return those
Thank
two
you.
alloys. Get 2 more of these alloys, and let's speak to a nice reputed tire brand and get a set of 4 brand new tires, and then let's replace them on a beautiful project car.